welcome to Medical Dialogues, your daily dose of health and medical news. I'm Roshni Dhar. Let's look at today's top health news. Currently, there are a total of 958 seats in the country offering PG medical training at broad specialty and super specialty level with different oncology-related specializations. The information to this effect comes from the data shared by the Ministry of Health Dr. Bharti Praveen Pawar before the Parliament during question hour. The minister was asked to present the data on the total number of oncologists, including radiation, surgical, medical, and public health institutions across India, along with their specializations category-wise. The information on the total number of oncologists could not be provided by Dr. Pawar. In her justification, she notified the Parliament that as per the Apex Medical Regulatory Body of India, the National Medical Commission data on the number of oncologists are not maintained centrally. As per the data, a total number of 958 seats in DM and MCH oncology-related specialties are being offered in the medical institutes in India at present. Replying to the question of whether the government has recognized any deficit in the number of oncologists, especially radiation oncologists, and giving details on the steps taken by government to bridge this gap, including improving medical education in the country for oncologists, government has taken various steps to increase the availability of doctors and faculty in medical institutions in the country. Centrally sponsored scheme for establishment of new medical college by upgrading district hospital in underserved districts of the country. Centrally sponsored scheme for strengthening of existing state government and central government medical colleges to increase MBBS and PG seats. Scheme for upgradation of government medical colleges by construction of super specialty blocks. A total number of 75 projects have been approved and 53 have been completed. Under central sector scheme for setting up of new AIIMS, 22 AIIMS have been approved. Undergraduate courses have been started in 18 AIIMS. Relaxation in the norms for setting up of medical college in terms of requirement for faculty, staff, bed strength and other infrastructure. DNB qualification has been recognized for appointment as faculty to take care of shortage of faculty. Enhancement of age limit for appointment, extension, re-employment against posts of teachers, dean, principal, director in medical colleges up to 70 years. That's all for today. Stay safe.
Never miss a medical update from Medical Dialogues. Like, subscribe, and press the bell icon.